66 million years ago, the dinosaurs were the undisputed rulers of Earth. Then, in a single blinding flash, their reign was over. They were wiped out by a random rock from the depths of space. We are taught this as ancient history, a closed chapter. But what if that chapter was only the prologue? Scientists now warn we are millions of years overdue for another civilization-ending impact. And the terrifying truth is, our planetary defenses are full of fatal holes. Welcome to Project Dark Sky. To understand our vulnerability, we need to look at a day that shocked the modern world. February 15, 2013. In Chelyabinsk, Russia, people were starting their morning. Without warning, the sky exploded. A house-sized asteroid, completely undetected, had entered the atmosphere. It released a shockwave with 30 times the energy of the Hiroshima bomb. The blast shattered windows across the city, injuring over 1,500 people. The force was so powerful, it was detected by sensors on the other side of the planet. And the most chilling part? No one saw it coming. It approached from the direction of the sun, hidden in its blinding glare. This event was a wake-up call. A direct hit from a slightly larger object could have erased an entire city. But the Chelyabinsk meteor is just a tiny crack in a much larger fault line. The real threat lies in what we cannot see. Our asteroid detection systems have a massive and potentially catastrophic blind spot. We are excellent at tracking objects that come from the darkness of outer space. But for any asteroid that approaches from the sun's direction, our telescopes are practically blind. We are playing a cosmic game of hide-and-seek, and the universe has the perfect hiding place. You might think we have a plan, and technically we do. In 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully crashed a spacecraft into a small asteroid, proving we can slightly alter its path. It was a historic achievement, but here is the dark reality the headlines ignored. That mission took years of planning. For a genuine city-killer asteroid, we might get only weeks, days, or even hours of warning. There would be no time to build and launch a mission to stop it. We would be left with nothing but evacuation orders for a target we cannot define, and panic we cannot control. Let's talk about what impact really means. It's not just a big explosion. An asteroid large enough to threaten civilization would unleash a chain reaction of destruction. The initial impact would vaporize everything for hundreds of miles. A firestorm would engulf continents. But the real killer would follow. Trillions of tons of dust and soot would be thrown into the upper atmosphere, blocking out the sun. This is an impact winner. Global temperatures would plummet. Agriculture would collapse. The world would face a famine of biblical proportions. So, where are we now? NASA catalogs thousands of near-Earth objects, but we've likely only found a fraction of the true threats. An object large enough to cause global devastation could still be lurking in the shadows, undiscovered. The universe is an active shooting range, and Earth is the target. We are relying on luck, not strategy. The dinosaurs did not have a space program. They did not have telescopes. They were victims of cosmic chance. We, however, have no excuse. We see the threat, we understand the physics, and yet we remain dangerously complacent. The killer asteroid is not a question of if, but when. This is Project Dark Sky. We uncover the universe's deadliest secrets. If you think an asteroid is the only thing hiding in the sun's glare, you are not ready for what comes next. Subscribe now. The truth is far more terrifying.